Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change link color globally per email in Klaviyo. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain consistent branding across all your email templates without having to manually change each link color individually. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your browser and head over to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Klaviyo dashboard where all your email marketing tools are housed. Now that you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various navigation options. Click on Content, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Template. This section is where all your email templates are stored and managed, making it easy to access and edit them whenever needed. Next, click on Email Save to view all the templates you've created. This will display a list of your existing email templates, giving you a clear overview of what you have to work with. Browse through the list and locate the specific email template where you want to change the link color globally. Once you've found the right template, click on it to open it up. You'll notice an option that says Edit Template. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you into the template editor where you can make all your customization changes. The editor might take a moment to load, so be patient as it brings up all the design elements. Now that you're in the editor, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Styles. Click on this tab to access all the styling options available for your template. This is where the magic happens, as you can control the overall look and feel of your email from this section. Once you're in the Styles tab, scroll down through the options on the left side. You're looking for a section called Links. This section specifically controls how all the hyperlinks in your email template appear. Keep scrolling until you spot it. Under the Links section, you'll see a color picker tool. This is what allows you to change the color of all links throughout your entire email template at once. Click on the color picker and choose the color that aligns with your branding or design preferences. The beauty of this feature is that it applies the change globally, meaning every link in that template will instantly update to your chosen color. And that's it. You've successfully changed the link color globally for your email template in Klaviyo, ensuring consistent branding across all your links without the hassle of editing each one individually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.